If I knew then what I know now, I never would have gotten so close to giving up. Welcome to video 6 of our 8-part series, If I Knew Then What I Know Now. Today, we're talking about the moment Craig hit rock bottom in his affiliate marketing journey, when belief itself seemed out of reach. But this isn't a story about quitting. It's the turning point where everything changed. By the end of this video, you'll discover the exact program that rebuilt Craig's belief and helped him break through his doubt.
Hey, it's Craig here. I can't sugarcoat it. There was a moment about 18 months in when I was done trying, done believing. I had been spinning my wheels, investing my time, hoping for a breakthrough, but nothing I tried seemed to stick. It wasn't that I didn't work hard, it's that I didn't know what to work on. Affiliate marketing started to feel like this endless guessing game, and when you're stuck like that, it's not just your confidence that takes a hit, it's your belief. One night, I remember searching online, part desperation, part habit. That's when I found the Millionaire Partner System. I wasn't looking for a shortcut. I wasn't looking for a miracle. All I needed was something to remind me this could work. MPS became that reminder. It wasn't just a tool, it was my lifeline. The system gave me step-by-step instructions, done-for-you funnels, and ready-made email sequences to actually start building a list. And in less than 3 weeks, I saw my first commission roll in. That first $29 might sound small, but to me, it was a breakthrough. It was proof that all the effort wasn't for nothing, that I could do this, that you can too.
The Millionaire Partner System, MPS, isn't just another course or tool. It's a done-for-you system designed to build belief, build a list, and build results. Here's how it works. First, it gives you done-for-you funnels and email sequences, complete with step-by-step guidance to get them running. Second, it focuses on momentum. By helping new affiliates generate their first commissions as they learn, MPS bridges the gap between doubt and proof. Finally, it's flexible enough to grow with you. Whether you're just starting or scaling, it evolves alongside your goals. And here's the most important thing to remember. Done-for-you systems like this aren't cheating. They're training wheels. They help you move forward when everything else feels overwhelming. Craig's story and hundreds like it, they prove that belief is built on results. Here's what one of our CashWave subscribers said about their breakthrough moment with MPS. James L., Chicago, IL. I used the Millionaire Partner System to set up my first funnel. Within 10 days, I earned my first $70 commission. It wasn't life-changing money, but it was life-changing proof. And even Glenn Kosky, creator of MPS, has noticed how well Craig's audience is thriving inside this system. Craig's subscribers are some of our most successful MPS affiliates. We love what they're building.
What really pulled everything together for me was when I combined MPS into Toolkit 7, your partner stack. This toolkit doesn't just include MPS. It includes every resource I lean on to stay consistent. Funnels, swipe files, templates, step-by-step instructions. It's all there. I'll say it one more time. You don't have to guess. You don't have to figure this all out on your own. Everything I wish I had when I started is now waiting for you. Templates, setup guides, even bonuses to fast-track your momentum.
Use the system Craig used to build belief, momentum, and results. Don't wait. The link is in the description. Now's the time to take the step Craig almost missed. Get started, unlock the bonuses, and see the proof of what's possible. And remember, video 7 is coming up next. Craig reveals the one platform that gave him true scale without ever showing his face. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.